Sound and easy steps to effective affiliate marketing. If you want to start pursuing your own business endeavors, then affiliate marketing may be for you. Affiliate marketing is a way to make money by selling products for other people. This video goes into more detail about some of the basics about affiliate marketing, as well as some of the steps you need to take to become successful. You can put your customers in a buying mood by telling them all about the advantages of the product. Do not simply mention the product or post pictures of it. Explain why you love it and how it has changed your life. Convince them that they need this product before directing them to the page where they can buy it. Good affiliates are those that communicate with their partners. Beyond automated systems, FAQ pages and resource databases, an affiliate that offers rapid person-to-person conversation is going to be much easier to work with. Webmasters should recognize the value of such individual communication. An affiliate that responds immediately and personally to questions will ultimately be a better partner than one that is hard to communicate with. Do not panic if you see sales conversions numbers that are only around 1%. If you're holding out for higher than that as an affiliate, you may be holding out indefinitely. 1 out of every 100 visitors turning into a customer is actually a great conversion rate for most products, especially with larger, more popular services that receive thousands of visitors per day. Upon watching this video, you should now have a good idea of what affiliate marketing is and how to become successful with it. Now that you know what to do, you need to set reasonable short and long-term goals that can help aid you in your success. If you do this, success should come before you know it. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.